Hey guys, great to connect with you guys for this interesting announcement. So let me start off, Anup and Gaurav from my side. It's been now more than a decade of sort of exciting years for CodeChef. I know when we originally founded CodeChef back in sort of 2008, the primary goal was to build great programmers. We were all frustrated with the quality of teaching and education that some of the smartest people in India get when it comes to creating great programming talent. And our goal was to sort of create a platform and a community where people can sort of interact and themselves learn and essentially build great programmers. And Coach has seen an amazing journey since then over the last 10 years. We've become the premium platform, not just in India, but globally for programming contests, for competing, and for learning and enhancing problem-solving skills. Uh, Today, actually, along with Anup, who's as much of a founder of CodeChef as I am, probably more so, given that he and his team have actually been instrumental in building this community to the extent and level that it has. Have sort of an exciting announcement to make. I want to introduce quickly Gaurav on the call. Some of you may know Gaurav, but Gaurav is actually the founder and CEO of Unacademy and an ex-code cheffer. I don't think you code anymore. I think your rank has dropped substantially, but an ex-code cheffer, and I am actually a shareholder and board member of Unacademy. And Gaurav and I, for the last 3 to 4 years, have worked very closely on just generally education problems and enhancing quality of education in India in many areas. Gaurav has built a outstanding company in the education tech space with the altruistic motive of making low cost but high quality education accessible and equalizing the education platform across the country, across tier 2, tier 3 cities and all locations across the country in providing sort of quality education to everybody. And so I have an important and really exciting announcement to make that so far CodeChef has been under the custodianship of DirectEye, myself, Anup and team have been sort of running it. That process is going to continue, but we are actually now moving CodeChef's custodianship over to Unacademy, where I will still continue to remain involved in the same way. Anup and team will still continue to run CodeChef in the exact same way. But now it's going to be jointly me, Gaurav, and Anup, all three of us that will essentially drive CodeChef's vision. I will let Gaurav talk about his perspective, but this is a discussion that's been going on for some time now, and I'm really excited about this because it provides access to larger team, a larger organization, more capital, more resources, and most importantly, a combined passion to sort of make a significant dent in the field of education, education coding being one of them. As a part of this development, the community can expect a far more rapid pace of development, enhancements, features, capabilities, and lots of free content. Gaurav and team are sort of experts at creating amazing content, etc., for the community. So lots of free content that furthers our goal of, along with you, the community members, furthers our goal of really building outstanding programmers. I've always believed, I've been passionate about programming. I started coding when I was 10 years old, and I've been passionate about programming since then. I've always believed that that coders, software developers, and programmers can change the world. We see that happening in the world all around us in every space, from automobiles to fintech to space travel. Techies are actually making the biggest dent in the universe. And in many ways, I've always believed, I've been a founder, co-founder in 4 or 5 different companies across the history of my sort of entrepreneurial career. But I've always believed that CodeChef, our not-for-profit initiative, has always been my highest impact project. We've built hundreds of entrepreneurs, tens of thousands. We've created and helped tens of thousands of, as a community, tens of thousands of amazing programmers who've gone out there and built amazing applications and software. And the goal is to take this 10x and 100x forward from here in this new partnership and new model. I'll let Gaurav kind of talk about his perspective and his passion on this topic.
Thanks a lot, Bhavin. In fact, I want to point this out that DirectEye is the first and the only company I have ever worked at, and I was a part of the CodeChef team, and I've worked closely with Anup back in the day, back in around 2013. And I started again, I also started coding very early. I started coding at the age of 12. And when I was in college and I wanted to become a great programmer, I think CoachChef was one of the platforms where I started my competitive programming journey. And because CoachChef was helping initiatives like ACM, ICPC grow in India. So I think that was also one of the initiatives that I participated in, and we used CoachChef extensively to prepare for that initiative. At Unacademy, we have sort of, and in fact, the way Unacademy started was that back when I was in college, and I was sort of that time I was interning with DirectEye also. I started creating some computer science videos on YouTube, and then my co-founder Roman started creating some videos, etc. And eventually uh, 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 we ended up starting this platform, and today that platform has the single largest repository for free educational content in the country right now, whereas our free videos are being watched by more than are watched more than 200 300 million times. And the goal is to create the best education products that empower educators, and then that empower creators to make their content accessible, that empowers the students by democratizing education. And whether or not you come from a tier 1 city, whether or not you went to a great college, that should not limit your ability to access great education. If you have intent, then we are here to provide you the tools and the platforms to make you get what you want. And I think that's one of our visions at Unacademy. And I think the values, these are also the values that we share with CoachChef. And I think I think there are still members in the team that I know from back in the day, and I think it's going to be an interesting journey together, because I see a lot of synergies possible, and I see that um, this is one area that I believe in a lot, that we should spread coding, we should make people programmers. And I think we'll make sure that the vision becomes 10x from here, as early as in the next 10 to 12 months. And I'm sure that with Bhavin, your help, and with the leadership of Anup, we can make that possible.
So yeah, so I've been talking to Gaurav and Bhavin in the last few weeks extensively, and about what lies ahead for CoachChef, because we have been working very independently till now, and we were like figuring out how things can change and how we can improve because of this change, how it will impact our the vision that we are working for. And with every single discussion that we have I have had with Bhavin and Gaurav, I think my excitement levels have increased significantly. We strongly believe that this is going to be an amazing opportunity for CoachChef to multiply its impact with greater support and resources and expertise that Gaurav and Unacademy brings on the table. And I'm sure we are going to step up our game immensely. We've always wanted to make to solve a problem that specifically, right, that the problem-solving skills of Indian programmers are not close to what they should be when compared to the global scale. And I think we can take it a notch up and work immensely on the schools initiative, on the college programs that we have, and try and make a much larger impact. And while we do this, we continue to stick to our core values and beliefs, which have enabled us to grow the community at this level for the last 11 years. And I also want to assure the community that the CoachChef will continue to operate the way it has been, running its initiatives with the same community-focused approach. Your support, especially to the community, right? Your support and contribution has been the backbone of what we have been doing till now. And I think if we have to scale up, we'll need a lot more of your support. And we will always be an initiative run by the community and for the community. And I think that will continue to happen. And thank you. Look forward to this exciting opportunity. Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, no, that's well said, Anup. Yeah, and absolutely, CoachChef will continue sticking to its core values. They're similar to Unacademy's core values. I've been a part of Unacademy for the last 3 years, and I'm super excited with the possibility. This is not a sale or a transaction, but a change in custodianship to a scenario where now I, along with Gaurav and Anup, can jointly participate in the sort of 10x growth. And I love what you said, Anup. Maybe our sights were set too low. Maybe our vision, it shouldn't just be to, equalize the platform. Maybe our vision should be to build the best programmers in the world, and make Indian programmers also some of the best programmers in the world. And I think together we can jointly achieve that with the support from the community and the kind of platform we created.